Remove the two weatherproof wire nuts joining the motor to the harness, then pull the wires free of their splices. Using a number 4 hex bit, remove the 2 hex screws on the exterior of the motor. Then remove the 2 screws coupling it to the frame of the stabilizer. Set the screws aside for later, then uninstall the motor. Install a new motor by joining the motor spindle bolt to the receptacle and then using a number 4 hex bit to install the 2 inboard facing mounting screws. Then install the 2 outboard facing screws to secure it to the frame. Splice the motor leads into the electrical harness and secure the splice using weatherproof wire nuts. Tuck the wire nuts and leads into a secure position on the underbody of your unit. Then, test the unit to make sure it's running correctly to complete your installation.